Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Would you like a brand new quote to help kickstart your day? This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute motivation, and here is that quote for today. Your mind is like a factory. The ingredients you are putting into it will be used to make the final product, your life. A very true statement. Your mind is very much like your stomach. If you spend each day eating junk food, it's pretty obvious that all you're going to have inside you is junk, rather than the healthiest stuff there is. The mind has a junk food alternative as well. Feed your mind with negativity, drama, the media and gossip. The only way you are going to feel is like poo. Feed your mind with good vibes, positivity, and appreciate the good things that you already have around you. I can guarantee if you do that, you'll see how much happier you feel every day.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.